All right, I'm going to show you a little bit about the basics of getting started with Eclipse. Now for today, when you load it up, your screen should look somewhat similar to this. You're probably not going to have all the different projects over here yet, and that's fine. These are some that I have saved already. But you're going to see this welcome screen. And if you don't see it, you can go to Help, Welcome, and that'll pull it up as well. But on the welcome screen, there's a whole bunch of tutorials. The one we're going to do is create a Hello World Java application. So this first one here, click Hello World application. It's going to walk you through how to create things, including starting your very first project, things like that. So what I want you to do is go through here, take your time going through it, and it'll give you an idea. But just to give you a little bit of a heads up, I want to show you a few things. So in the Java program, the first thing we need to do is create a project. The project is kind of like our directory where we hold all of our files. You can call the project anything you want, but as we work on class projects, you're going to want to make something that is understandable. So I could call this, for example, Hello World. I already have a Hello World, so I'm going to call it Hello World 2. Okay, and so then that essentially creates a folder for me to put everything in. If I look in here, I don't have anything there, so the next thing I need to do is create a piece of Java. And so I'm going to do that with a class. So I'm going to create a class, and we're going to call this class something that begins with a capital letter. So let's just say Hello World. Okay. Now when I create my class, we're going to talk about different types of classes that we do. But the first one we usually create is the one that we're going to run. And that one, we want to click on this box that says public static void main strings. That's going to create some sample code for us, or some boilerplate code that we can use to get started with. Okay? And if I take a look at it now, I have the basics for my starting code. I can now start to type right in here and execute my program. And I'm going to let you follow the tutorial from here, but this is the basics for how we're going to get started.